Where's the baby? What you doing, Mama? What are you doing? Was you trying to lick the baby's hiney? You go clean his hiney? Is that your baby? Oh, tell Sweet Pea hi. Is that Sweet Pea? Sweet Pea. I know. That's Sweet Pea. You gonna lick his hiney? Yeah, you lick his hiney, huh? You's a good mama, huh? And that's your baby? Is that your baby? That's your baby, huh? Yeah, don't you bite the baby. You lick the baby, it's fine. That's not... Don't bite the baby. I didn't think you would. Is that your baby? Look, that's your baby. You gonna clean his hiney? Oh, you gonna clean his hiney, huh? Yeah, you cleaning his butt. It's too cute. Is that your baby? Sweet Pea, your baby? Oh my goodness gracious. I got a puppy dog who wants the bird for the baby. Which is just fine with me. Except, what you gonna get a birdie to eat? It's okay, Kit Kat food. Get a baby Kit Kat food. Oh. Yeah, you get sweet eyes? Sweet eyes. I like you. Sweet eyes. Look at mommy. Clean his butt. Okay. Clean his butt. You can clean his butt. Oh, is that the baby? Is that the baby? Come on, lay down. That's your baby. That is your baby, huh? You clean his hiney? Oh, clean his hiney. Oh. You're so sweet. Good mama. I have to say, you're a good mama, Tinkerbell. You're a really good mama.